Hey. My name is Miko Emaria Davidowski and welcome back to another video. Beautiful Saturday morning. Today's video's topic is remember to have fun, my friend. Remember to have joy in your life, for it is very, very important. It is very easy in this world to forget about having fun and enjoying yourself. And yet, in accordance with what I teach, joy is the fastest way to reach enlightenment. And joy is the fastest way of mastering duality. And so, it is important to not take yourself so seriously. We sometimes fall into the idea that things are serious and we need to behave in a certain way and do things in a certain way and be a certain way. Otherwise, something's gonna happen and we don't actually even know what's gonna happen. But it's like even the thought of doing something differently within that scope of existence is unthinkable to us. But it is important to have a distance to yourself. Distance yourself from yourself to a degree where you're able to make fun out of yourself and out of the situations in which you are in. Just waking up. Give me a moment. Having fun is having fun. There's nothing more to it. There are no recipes in regards how to have fun. There are no certain movements that you need to do in order to have fun, you know? And as you have fun, of course, you just focus on the light. Focus on the light in everything that you do. And allow yourself to have a little bit of fun. And perhaps do movements a little bit differently. This video is not supposed to be serious. I know that I have a tendency to make quite serious looking videos where I have a very serious looking face and I speak about things in a certain way, trying to make them sound very intellectual and such. It's not about that. I'm just sharing the way I'm sharing, and sometimes I share one way and sometimes I share another way. But in general, none of it makes sense. None of it is worth anything unless you have fun. Life is gonna pass. You're gonna die one day, regardless of what you do. Regardless of what you do. So, might as well enjoy it and have fun. Make choices from the space of joy. Make choices from the space of what will bring me the most fun. And fun is not the same as pleasure. They are two different things. Pleasure is something completely different than having fun. You know? Allow yourself to unwind from time to time and explore the different possibilities of having fun. You know, maybe you have to stand there and ask yourself, okay, how do I have fun? And at least you ask yourself that, you know. It's like maybe you're standing there in the middle of the room and say, okay. You know, it's like fun doesn't necessarily lead to anything other than experiencing it, which is beautiful. Usually joy and exploration of fun is not there in order to attain something. It's not there to achieve something other than the being itself within the space of fun. So there is no recipe and people have a tendency to push it aside, even though everybody needs it. We all need to have fun. We all need to experience joy from time to time. Otherwise our lives get very bleak. And with this accent, let's just call it, I wish you an absolutely wonderful day, full of fun and joy. and I'll see you in the next one, my friend. I bless you. Consider leaving a comment. Tell me, when was the last time you really had fun?